Hello, my name is Sofie Quidenus. I'm the founder and CEO of Omni. What are we doing? So we take digital, but for a machine, unstructured data and transform them into a machine-readable format. Why? Because otherwise, with the increasing amount of digital documents, we are creating more and more labor work. And I had a startup before I started this one. It was a robot, and we have digitized over 980 million documents. And after several years, I've realized I'm creating a problem with every digital but unstructured page. And also realizing that for machine learning, the big bottleneck is access to data. And sitting on this big treasure, I thought that's an interesting problem to tackle. So we focus on claim management, because we find a lot of labor work here. And what we do is tremendously speeding up the process up to 85%. It was a long journey to find product market fit. We had two wrong hypotheses. The first one was manufacturing. We thought this industry has the biggest pain point. The second hypothesis was transportation. Both of these industries and the other ones too, they have this issue. But for us, it was very important to do a proper product market fit analysis. I strongly believe in domain expertise, especially when you work with NLP models. So it was very important for us to focus on one vertical, be super disciplined about it, and in one vertical, on one process. It's handling claims from the moment it touched the insurance company in a digital format until we push payment. And we were lucky, and we had awesome investors, so a big thank you at this time, because they give us the space and the time, because it's nothing worse than scaling before you find product market fit. The reason why the insurance industry got the highest score in our ranking model was because they first have an amount of digital documents that is increasing fast. Second, customers are expecting to get paid back the claim after several days when they send in the claim as an email with attachments. And another interesting component was the insurtech industry. So they claim to pay back a claim in a few days, and that's frightening for the big corporates. On the other hand, the insurtech world is our customer too, and we're very happy to work with very interesting startups in that space too. And both, either the corporates and the insurtech world, they gave us the trust and said, okay, handle this problem for us. We are happy to outsource it. We can focus on what our core business is. So this is the first module that we have already released. It's just about data extraction. The next model we will release officially, we have already built it, is the classification. So to really understand what is the claim, is it household, is it car? In the next step, we extract the data, we take the document, we process it, and we push back structured data. And then we follow with the comparison with the policy and the unit price catalog. Both will be released in the next couple of months, and we push payment. Neural nets are out there for everyone. Keras, TensorFlow are open source. So why do I feel confident that we can crack this nut? To make it short, we have built a very solid system that allows a fast training of the models. It's our own ground truth tool, a validation tool that allows us from 82% confidence score to push back 100% to the insurance companies. And the third one is a big feedback loop over a company we collaborate with. I tried with my previous business, the robot was based on machine learning too, crowdsourcing, we tried closed feedback loops, so on the customer side, and I strongly believe in something that you own and you can scale, and you have the control about it. Besides that, we have very close collaborations with awesome research centers in Europe, and we have tried to build from our end a scalable platform. Everything is based on Apache NiFi, 8 microservices in place, 2 of them up and running, neural nets. thank you for our customers, big thank you to our customers. We have signed since October 12 deals with insurance companies and TPAs, and the job to be done today with the A round, I'm currently raising a proper A round, is to focus on these customers and make them happy. With every process page, our IP is of course growing, and I think that's also the really interesting thing we are working on. Everyone needs a tool set to speed up the training. Rule-based systems have their advantage, but one thing that it's great, you don't have to train them. And without a proper solution to train neural nets, it's going to be tricky. We have competition out there, and we know them pretty well. That's my team. My previous company was just run by myself. I know my weaknesses already. I'm more than happy to work with an amazing co-founders team. And that's perfectly timed the end of my pitch. So if you are interested to learn more, just reach out. Thank you very much.